this is Shrikant. Today I will explain about calendar DAX function. First, what is calendar DAX function? Calendar DAX function returns the dates in a single column with a specified interval. Start date and end date should be greater than start date, otherwise error will rise. Okay. Syntax: calendar start date, next end date. Okay, let's check this calendar DAX function in Power BI desktop. Okay, now I'm click new table and type here calendar and next type date. Okay, now entering start date. Okay, start date. Now close and next comma date, end date 2014 comma 12 comma 01. Okay, see this calendar start date and next one is end date. Okay, let's check this measure. See this now automatically showing data 2013 12 1 to 2014 12 1 data. Okay, this is calendar DAX function. Please subscribe our channel Laxmi Skills. Thank you friends. Bye.